Out here in the nice, warm, sunny weather. I can see the ground wet right there. It rained about 30 minutes ago for 2 hours, but it's sunny again. Look at the sun. Just here at this car show.
Hell no. Look at the back seat. Get a ladder just to work on this. Yeah, you would have to. You'd have to have that fucking bench. So you have to get a ladder. Lean in. Back here. Diesel is pretty sick too. He should not be any trucks. He should not be trucks like this. And he got the dual fans in it, so he might. No AC though. No AC. But they didn't have it.
Sorry, the angle a little crooked. I got the tripod set up and a dash, and it's definitely not working in my favor. But we about to, I guess the last clip y'all seen was us going, or we were at this little car show. But ooh, my eyelashes is rough. I need to take them out, redo them. But we were at a car show. We left there, got some McDonald's, and then came to one of his friends' house to like chill out for a little bit. It's currently like 8:30, or it's 8:05 actually. I thought it was later. It's 8:05. We about to go to this place called Quaker Steak, and I guess there's gonna be motorcycles out there. So yeah, we go from a car show to a motorcycle show, essentially. But I'll show you guys a few clips of us being there. But today is like really chill, like always. I don't feel like our days are ever like anything crazy. But definitely stay tuned for upcoming videos, because we got some trips that we're about to be taking. So you're gonna see those videos. Hopefully it's a good time. Hopefully I remember to record all of it, because when I'm in the moment having fun, I tend to forget to record things. So yeah, hopefully I remember that. But like I said, stay tuned for those videos. Those will be coming up in the next few weeks. But I'll catch you guys here once we get to Quaker Steak.
Fuck it.
y'all, it's the next day in the video. I didn't end out the video from last night. I just wanted to close out the video. So I want to say thank you for tuning into another video of mine, and I will catch you guys in the next one.